Hey guys, this is Gibbs. This is going to be the first of what I'm going to call my quick and dirty series, just for user issues, not quite understanding how the pedals work or how to get the most out of them. Today's going to be for the Ventris. We're going to go over preset saving with the dual engine setup. So you'll notice you got the toggle switch over here. You have A plus B, and B. Now, when you're making a preset, what you want to do is first start with whatever engine you're starting with. We'll start with the A to be simple. We're gonna pick our reverb. Yeah, I'm tired. So we've got a reverb. We'll make our settings quick here. I'm not gonna do any actual sound test here, but just to give you the idea here. So there's our A. We'll flip over to B. Let's use the echo verb. Make some adjustments, blah blah blah, have some fun. Then if we want to, we can set for A plus B. While we're here, quick go over this. These controls here on this side change a little when you're in A plus B. The mix is now your dry level, so we'll pull that all the way up. Control 1 is now your reverb level for A. Control 2 is your reverb level for B. So got that set now. Now let's say we want to save with the A engine as the default, so your primary reverb. Hold that button, and now we're saved. But say down the road you want to change, you want that one to be your primary. Just switch over to the B side and do the same process. Now the B will load as your primary. We'll just show you that. This is a factory fresh unit. There you go. There's now shows you that the B is your loaded reverb. So the toggle position does not matter when you're saving presets. You can have it in there and then load. While it is an A plus B, it's going to load the B engine because that's where we saved it with. So now if you want to be able to changed from A to B in a live setting, for example, or you want to stay within that preset, this is where you need to get the editor or the mobile app to assign the option switch to do that, and I'll go over that next. Alright, so now we're going to use the mobile app to make the adjustments here. First you'll need to use the Neuro cable plugged into input 2, then into your phone, in order to get the connection to the mobile app. So I've got Ventris brought up here. Now for the option switch, you will want the option tap, and then you'll scroll down to swap engine latching. That will allow you to change from A reverb to B reverb, and then in the case that you're using the B reverb, you'll want to do the same thing. Go over to the B side and select option latching, and then when you have the pedal on and you want to switch from one reverb to the other within that preset, you'll just tap the option switch and it will change functions. Okay, so now that we made those adjustments, now say we're playing live, we're on the E-Dome, and now we want to bring up echo verb. So now that this pedal is set up and the preset's been saved for the option tap to swap engines, you just simply tap the switch. This light will come on and the secondary engine LED will flash to indicate that the option tap switch is being used. Then tap it again and we'll go back to the A reverb. And because we set up the B side to do the same thing, when we tap it, now the A engine comes on. It won't necessarily be that. You could program the B to do something else, but it only depends on if the B is your currently loaded side of the pedal. So if that's loaded and you're doing like reverb hold, it's not going to swap, it's going to hold reverb. You'll still get an indicator up here as it's showing that the current reverb is now in hold while the secondary reverb comes on for the spillover. So that's how that's all done. But yeah, if you want to be able to switch back and forth, it's best to just have engine swap on both sides, just so that you don't have to think about it when you're changing things on the fly. So that's that. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope that helped everything out.